now go back to the slide. We're talking about mentors here. That's your fifth pillar. Mike is muted. Thanks, guys. With mentors, it can get kind of weird. It's, like to say, like, to go find a random stranger, or to go find some like author that you read, or some podcast guy that you listen to, or somebody on YouTube, and reach out, really put yourself out there and say, will you be my mentor? That's a lot. And I can't imagine myself ever doing that, to be honest. And it's just like, so I found this really nice, I think it was L2. I think it was an L2 talk. And they talked about, I wish I could find the video. It was just this best advice. It was steal your mentors. Do not reach out to your mentors, talk to them, and put yourself out there and say, will you be my mentor? Will you, like, can I work for you? Can I be an intern for you and follow you around? It just gets, I feel like you've already lost if you're asking that, or just like you're setting yourself up for rejection. But the guy said in the video, steal your mentors. Go out there, find your favorite author, and study them. Study what they do. Read their books. Watch their podcasts, or watch their YouTube video. Listen to their podcast. All these things. Don't so much just like and have multiple mentors. And that was the kind of point he made too. Like, you can have multiple mentors. You can have 6. You can have 10. You can have as many mentors as you want to follow. But like, choose them. Steal their work. Steal how they're doing it. Steal their knowledge. And you don't have to really ask permission, like, will you be my mentor? Just reach out to them. And that's what I feel like is the next step in having a successful creative business. Because what I have learned this year, and what I've kind of learned over the last few weeks, is that, and not to put it like this, like steal like an artist is kind of one way I would look at it, but there's this kind of sense that you should not try in your business at all times, especially in a business that isn't totally new or totally revolutionary, that you should look at what other people are doing, that you should kind of steal what they're doing. Like, take little bits. Oh, I like that. I'm going to take this. Oh, I like this one. And take small little bits and samples from every business that you see. You can steal copy. You can steal the way someone presents a video, or the style and how someone cuts a video. Like, you can steal all of that, piece it all together, and it will be a unique version of you and how you run your business and how you present your business. You shouldn't, and people, one kind of word I want you guys to learn is swipes, marketing swipes. This has kind of fallen into my vocabulary this year, that you should be, when you're thinking about launching a business and you're thinking about launching a new campaign, a new product, anything, find examples of it. Hit the little bookmark tab, hit the little star, save this for later, create a little content bank in Notion and say, like, oh, I like this, I want to steal this, this is nice. Oh, I like how they said that headline. Find headlines, find copy, find paragraphs, find intros, all this kind of stuff, and put it all together and make it your own. But and that's the kind of idea with mentors, that you're looking at the people who have come before you. You're standing on the shoulders of giants, and you're following their path. You're mimicking their path. You're replicating their strategies and things like that.